How to make Virgo man fall in love with you. Virgo men are known for their calm nature, sharp minds, and practical approach to life. They're not easily swayed by surface-level charm or loud emotions. Instead, they admire depth, honesty, and someone who lives with purpose. If you're hoping to win the heart of a Virgo man, a gentle, thoughtful approach is key. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 straightforward ways to make a Virgo man fall in love with you. 1. Keep it simple and classy. Virgo men like clean looks and graceful behavior. Skip flashy outfits or loud personalities. Choose elegance over drama. Subtle charm goes a long way. 2. Have smart conversations. He's ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication. He enjoys people who can talk about interesting topics. Speak clearly, stay informed, and be ready to share ideas. 3. Be organized. Virgos love order. A tidy space, a well-planned day, and good timekeeping show that you value structure like he does. 4. Show you care through actions, rather than big declarations. Small thoughtful gestures mean more to him. Make his favorite drink, help him with something practical, or remember small details he mentions. 5. Stay calm and emotionally balanced. He isn't drawn to people who overreact or play emotional games. Talk things through calmly and avoid unnecessary drama. 6. Respect his way of thinking. Virgo men overthink and analyze everything. Be patient with his need for details. Don't rush him, let him take his time to feel secure. 7. Give him time, he won't fall in love overnight. Let the relationship grow slowly. Pushing for fast answers or deep emotions too soon may scare him off. 8. Work on yourself. He appreciates people who aim to grow, personally, mentally, and emotionally. Show him you're serious about bettering yourself. 9. Keep some things private. He values quiet and privacy. Avoid posting every moment online or sharing too much with others. He's drawn to people who keep life simple and quiet. 10. Be real, don't pretend to be someone else. Let your true self shine, slowly and honestly. He can tell when someone's being fake. A Virgo man's love isn't wild, it's steady, loyal, and deep. If you're sincere, patient, and grounded, you'll slowly win his trust and, eventually, his heart. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.